Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My name is Ash. So, as you have already seen in the headline, it is written Paper Craft Part 2. And I know you guys are very excited for this one because just after my first part was just like, when it just got launched in my first or my second day, I literally got 13 subscribers, and I already know they were too excited for that. So I came up with part 2, and now part 2 is very exciting, and this time I have two of my own paper crafts that I'm just gonna give you some clues how to make them. So the bad thing about this is that it is coming in like a reddish type of color. Most of them are in orange or in red or in yellow or in black, and that's a little boring. I can probably tell this is like a red, part 2 red. Possibly I might do that, but there are only two blues, and both of the blues are very good actually. So let's start. The first one I want to show you is, let's tell this, the bed. Now this is where I sleep, and I actually do have something like a cover in my bed, really, as my bed is just over here, and I think you can see it, that I have like a cover over here. And now you guys will be thinking like, this is just so simple, just make a cover and then like keep a paper around it, right? And now that's not the real thing, because these are actually connected papers. So this is just a one sheet paper with another yellow sheet on it, just as a blanket. So let's go to the second one. Hopefully you like that, because that was a pretty hard one. And the second one is pretty common, but it does look good. And that if you remember that I had made Wolverines in the last one, that is just like that. Ninja blade. Oh yeah. Now these are used by ninjas to just throw and kill others. I apologize to tell that word. And these actually do look cool if you do double of them. There's a transforming version which comes like this. I know how to make that. I'll make that. No, that's actually pretty fat. It doesn't work very good. So I thought to make double of these, and this does look very good in this combination. With the red, the evil color, and the black, the same color. And the next one I want to show you is again a little common, but it's pretty small, I don't know. The 4 cups, example, I choose blue. BLUE. Now, if I choose a number from here, I can't really think. If I choose the number 3, now I need to open it like this. And where's the number 3? I think the number 3 is over here, 3 and 4. I open it and I see that it is written fantastic. There are many, but I don't want to tell all of them. Maybe my friends will maybe I'll challenge my friends and they'll choose the lucky number. So yeah, that's a secret between me. And the next one I want to show you, I think I should be showing you this. The best are always for the last, and you do know that for me. And this is like a blue stand. I really do use this to keep my eraser. Below you can keep it like this as a black stand, and you can keep it like this for a blue stand. I recommend keeping the blue stand because it's a little bit more stable. But the black stand is again usable, so it's fine. And this is also called the the double box or the 4x box. Now the next one is again blue in color, and this is pretty good. I am introducing you this. Now I know this might be funny, but it is like made in perfection. Now just see that perfection I have done. That's like proper perfection. It's perfection right over here. That it's proper perfection. So this can be used. This is not weak. That is the good I know if I like use it a lot, the stick will like become loose and then it would like keep swinging. So guys, do not, if you make this, do not play with it. Just keep it as a decor. I mean it, just ignore that fail. So it like, you can do it like this as a Barbie. I mean, I'm not a girl. Leave it. Hopefully you like that. And that was, I mean, I did that very, like, I took time to do it. I did it slowly, and that is what came in perfection. The next thing I want to show you is nunchucks. This is the now these are the last 4, I think so. No, these are the last 3, and the last 3 are the good ones. Nunchucks. This is one of the good one. Now you see this box. Now you would be thinking, where are the nunchucks? It is inside the box, pretty common. Now the nunchucks are made by a little bit of plastic that it has a special feature. Now if I take out the nunchucks are green in color, which is my favorite color, if you know. Now this is the nunchucks. Now ignore that, whatever it is. So these are actually special nunchucks because these are actually openable box nunchucks. You can like, so what you can do, example, this is just like a story. I keep food inside the nunchucks. After the nunchucks fight, if I like get a little hungry, I'll just open my nunchucks. I'll take out my apple and just eat it, and then yay, let's again fight. But before that, I'll just drink my energy drink out of taking the bottle out of here and just drinking it, and then let's close it and fight. Let me just keep it in the box because I really care about it, and I know you guys too care about everything, right? I know that. Yeah, so we are ready to show the next one. And the next one is like, this is also made with perfection, and this is my second favorite out of all of my paper collection, out of my first and my second part. Introducing you the cupboard. Now, I mean, this really looks good, right? That does look good. These are the handles. I mean, these handles are pretty good. I'm not able to take them out. And this is how you make it. I know that's pretty good, right? I know that. This is really good actually. I thought like I would not get it in my first try, but I got like the perfect model in the first try. So I was impressed by this. And the last but not the least, the most special one, and the one that I created. I mean, the nunchucks also are the one that I have created. So now I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to discuss like in which shape it is. There are 3 shapes it starts from. It's only 2 shapes. One is from T, one is from H. If you can guess it, it's good. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and you're done. Time out. Whoever did that, subscribe right now. Now, you would be thinking, what is this? This is just like a simple shape. But it's not a shape. It's a game on its own. And this, I'm gonna like give you some clues how to make this as a tool. Now what you need to do is just like fold it. Now you see the shape, now see this. Do you see that? You really see that? Isn't that cool? Oh, I know that is cool. So what I do is like, I need to keep one finger in this corner, one finger in this corner. I don't know why. One finger here, one finger here, one finger here, and then press it. And they actually like go in circles. Like see, orange, the first color is the big color, the second color is the small color. Remember that. Orange, red, orange, black, black, orange, red, orange, red, black, red, orange, orange, red, it's going in a circle. That's how it works. And now the thing that you need to do for this is that this is now you must be, if you like search on YouTube bookmarks, now the most common bookmark you see is like a triangle thingy and they make like a face over there. Now make 1 2 3 4 12 of them. Okay, just make 12 of them. So after that, take 2 of them and join them together. Okay, after that glue it together and you see like there's a transforming shape. Now make 6 of them, because with 12 of them you can actually make 6. Now join 3 together with the triangular fold that you see. Join them together and then do not join the other 3. Now example, I see one over here, the orange one. You should take any of them and then keep one inside the orange. I'm telling that because when you do this and then press this, in the single layer this actually gets folded in and then it does not work. And that was what my case is. And then I like explored how to do it, like how to solve it, and that is how I found it out. So bye guys, but before that, if I can get more than 13 subscribers or 13 subscribers or a high number of subscribers, I'm gonna upload part 3, and I know you guys are pretty excited from before. I know that. So bye guys, please like and subscribe my channel.